Taskade AI is gaining traction as a go-to productivity workspace, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it's really the best fit for your productivity needs. Taskade AI positions itself as an all-in-one productivity platform designed to streamline tasks, collaboration, and project management. At its core, it combines task lists, notes, and video conferencing into a cohesive workspace. The interface is clean and intuitive, which is a big plus for users who want to jump right in without a steep learning curve. What stands out immediately is the integration of AI features that help you generate tasks and outlines based on your input, which is handy for brainstorming sessions. However, while the AI suggests helpful prompts, it can sometimes feel a bit limited in its understanding of complex project dynamics. The platform is aimed primarily at teams and freelancers looking for a comprehensive solution, but it may not cater well to larger organizations that require more robust project management tools. Some features feel a bit underdeveloped, leaving questions about long-term usability and scalability. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Taskade AI offers a user-friendly interface and impressive collaborative features, making it easy to work with others in real time. The AI task generation is a nice touch, especially for those who struggle with starting projects. However, there are some downsides. The AI suggestions can sometimes lack depth, which might frustrate advanced users looking for more tailored solutions. Additionally, while the pricing is competitive, it may feel steep for individuals or small teams who don't need all the features. Trust-wise, while Taskade is relatively new, there's still a bit of uncertainty around its long-term viability and data security practices, which is something potential users should consider. In conclusion, Taskade AI is a solid option for freelancers and small teams seeking a streamlined productivity tool. However, if you're part of a larger organization or need more advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you appreciate the integration of AI in your workflow.